Hi guys, I'm your friend. Maybe you had some knowledge of the structure of our machine from our last video. But when you run your machine in reality, why your machine breaks down sometimes for the same machine, and you can see if the machine run by other factory, the machine can run effectively. Why? As you know, a lot of people, when they buy the Pellet machine, they only care about the price and the production. But after they buy a machine, as a result, they found the electricity fee is very high and the green die is easy to be damaged. Yes, until right now, we have received a lot of consultation, and today I will talk about 3 problems that you need to avoid when you buy machines. The first issue is that you think that once you buy one green die, it can deal with all kinds of raw material, but it totally wrong. For example, the compression ratio of pipe and the right husk is totally different. So if a factory sells the goods to you without asking your raw material you use, and this kind of behavior is not so responsible. And in our factory, before you place an order in our factory, we will definitely to test your raw materials, and then we will give you the right compression ratio so that can guarantee your machine can run in a stable and effective way. The second issue is that you only care about the price of the machine and not care about the lifespan of our spare part. You should not only consider a lot of factors before you buy our machine, but also you should consider a lot of how to do the maintenance work after you buy it. If the green die breaks down in 1 week after you buy it, you will lose a lot of benefits. Let's have a look at the hull of green die. It's not the thickness determine the lifespan of the green die, but the technology of heat treatment. All of our core components are processed by the technology of heat treatment. Although this kind of technology can increase our cost of production, but it can make our product more durable and stable. It means you can use our product for a long time and no need to replace it frequently. The third issue is that the new beginners are most likely to encounter this kind of problem. That is, you are most likely to ignore the importance of the complete system of production line. A lot of users only concentrate on if the Pellet machine works properly or not. If the raw material that you used has not been crushed evenly, or the moisture content is unstable, no matter what kind of Pellet machine you use, it will be breakdown frequently. Pellet production is a kind of system from the moisture control of the raw material to the drying process. We need to pay much attention to the quality in every process. We are not only the manufacturer, but also the planner of your factory. From the moisture control to the packing system, we can give you the final solutions. We sell all our products to all over the world, no matter what kind of the raw material you use, such as the palm shell from the Asian country, or the raw material that you are using is the sawdust of Europe, and we will definitely give you professional solutions. We really want to keep a long relationship with you, and we really want to guarantee that your machine can work in a stable way. If you are not sure about your raw material is worth investment or not, please send message to me. And you can subscribe to me and you can learn more about knowledge about the biomass industry. Thank you.